Good morning, guys. It's Valentine's Day. Babe, Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's Day, people. Maghahanap buhay muna kami, guys. Tapos mamayang gabi we'll go somewhere. Pero ngayon, wala. Hanap buhay muna tayo. Wednesday kasi, Wednesday naman yung Valentine's Day. Pero okay lang yan. Wala sana kaming gagawin kasi nga may work ako, tapos bukas work na naman. Tapos same din kay Dan. Pero sabi ko, alam mo, we should do something. Habang wala pa tayong mga little people. Little people. Kasi alam ko na hindi na ganun kadali lumabas-labas eh kapag mayroon ng ano. Sabi ko, ano natin yung opportunity na tayo na munang dalawa. Labas tayo. Akalain mo, babe, this is our second Valentine's Day together. This is actually our, no, February 2015. No, we already know each other, but you were here. So, hindi kami magkasama nung, first Valentine's na kami na. So, that was 2015. This 2016 was our very first Valentine's Day together. And then, this year is the second. Can you imagine? Wala pa akong makeup, guys. Kasi magme-makeup ako mamayang hapon na. Tapos wala na din kami masyadong time kanina. Anong ganap nyo, guys? Anong ganap ng nyo, Valentine's nyo? Baby, you look grumpy. What time do you sleep?
Like
What time?
1:30.
Oh my gosh. I slept early. Tumakbo siya kagabi. Pagdating niya, patulog na ako. Kaya lang naman yung lamp. Uy, bedside lamp. Nagising ako. Pero yan, tulog na ako. Mga before 10, tulog na ako, guys. Kasi maaga ako nagigising. Tapos kapag wala akong, tapos kapag hindi kasi enough yung tulog ko, nagiging grumpy ako ng bonggang-bongga. So, yun. Gaya niya. Siyang tulog. Grumpy siya. Maglilipstick tayo, babe. May ako lang pala. Bakit hindi ka kasali? Ano ba yung dala natin dito? Guys, do you wanna see what's in my bag video? No, maya na kapag meron akong bagong bag. Kasi yung what's in my bag ko noon pa, ito pa din yung bag ko eh. Hindi ko siya napapalitan. Gamitin na naman natin ulit to. The Mistine Super Matte Air Matte Lip Color. Galing kay Anne Paris. Number 27. Ito yung go-to ko. Kasi mabilis lang siya i-apply. Very, very lightweight. Okay, stop tayo, babe. Stop light. Stop light. Migara. Okay. Stop.
You have to brake.
You have to brake 3 times?
Let's slow the car down.
Ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Okay lang yan. At least may kulay yung lips, diba? Kasi wala. Naglagay pala ako nung nung primer. Mineral, yung Hourglass na Mineral Veil primer. Babe, I have my bowl. Can I leave my bowl here in the car? Thank you. Thank you, babe. Thank you. Matatapos ako mamaya mga 4:40. Darating kami sa bahay siguro mga just before 5. Depende sa traffic. And then we will leave from home mga 5:30. Kasi yung dinner magsa-start siya ng 6. So, yeah. See you later. Bye. We're heading home. I don't have flowers. Bye.
Because I don't buy flowers.
I don't have flowers, but I have these. Look at this. Lady Million. Thank you. I don't have anything for you. Hello, guys. See? Ang mahal, how much?
That wasn't that much.
No, I prefer this.
So do I.
Forever will die.
So do
Thank
I.
you, babe. Oh my gosh. I've been wanting this, guys. Kaya lang ayoko bumili kasi ang dami ko ng perfume. And sabi ko baka like, sa susunod na Pasko, baka ito yung bigay ng papa niya. But, oh my gosh, finally!
It's the right one?
Yeah. It smells like it's the right one. Oh, yes! Lady Million. I love it. Thank you, babe.
That's okay.
Oh, it smells so good. I'll use this tonight. Look at me, people. Oh my gosh, that smells really good. I don't have anything. What do you want?
It's Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's! That is so nice, babe. Like, I 100% prefer this than flowers.
I know you would.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, babe.
Way better present than flowers.
Mwah! Way better.
And way cheaper. everyone wins. It's a winning present.
I love it. It smells really good. Sobrang bango, guys. Sabi pa niya kanina, nilagay niya
Tell him what you said when you got in the car.
Huh?
Tell him what you said when you got in the car.
Yeah, pagpasok ko sa car, akala ko meron flowers.
Where's my flowers?
I was like, hindi, no. I said that like maybe 2 to 3 minutes later. I thought you were gonna surprise me. I thought you were hiding it somewhere. And pasimple ako, guys, tinitingnan ko. Sabi ko, where's my flowers? Because I expect you to give me flowers. No, seriously, they always give me flowers. Like my birthday, Valentine's Day last year, you did as well. And then sabi niya, I didn't get you flowers. And then he said, get me a cloth or something?
Yeah.
Sa toolbox, may box dito, diba? Sa yung lalagyan ng kung ano-ano dito.
Glove box.
What?
It's called a glove box.
Glove box? Glove?
Glove box.
Glove box.
To get a glove.
Sabi niya, get a cloth. Ano, pag open ko, meron lang na million. Yes! Good job, babe. Thank you, babe.
That's alright.
Thank you. I like it. How much? 69?
No, more than that.
79.
More than that.
That's not cheap, babe. That's expensive.
Well, let's take it back. We'll take it back.
I already put it on my... Oh, it smells so good. Okay, guys. I will put my makeup on. Ito yung before outfit ko. Work outfit. So, yeah, I will change. Hindi ko pa alam actually kung ano susuotin ko. Alright, guys. I'm almost ready. Naghahanap na lang ako ng isusuot ko na footwear. So, this is my outfit. Malamig kasi dun, guys. I will wear tassel earrings as well. Kaya lang nagmamadali na kami. So, hanapin ko lang yung boots ko. We're off. Oh my gosh. Sobrang nagmamadali kami. The dinner starts at 6 and it's now 5:35. So, yeah. We plan to leave at 5:30. So, we're 5 minutes off, which is alright. Yung suot ko is ito. Mainit pa dito. Sunny pa dito. Pero dun sa ano, malapit kasi siya sa hills. Is it at the hills or close to the hills?
It's around there.
Malamig dun, guys. Kaya nagdala ako ng leather jacket. Susuot ko sana yung ano ko, heels ko, pero ito na lang suot ko.
Where would you like to go?
Glen Ewan Winery.
Getting directions to Glen Ewan Estate.
So ano siya, guys, winery siya. Nakita ko to online actually. Maganda siya, picnic. Parang ano na siya, meron na siyang kasamang wine, tapos meron siyang pa-platter. Yun. Yung nasa mukha ko, I use the Estee Lauder foundation, yung pinaka-paborito ko sa lahat na foundation. I have on my lips the Liquid Catsuit from Wet n Wild. The shade is Give Me Mocha. This top I got from Rose Gal. Leather jacket, yung Target lang. And then my pants is from Rose Gal as well. So I'm black on black. No, my pants is like gray. Yeah. We're here, guys. So dyan kami mag-ano, pipiknik. Kita nyo yung love na sign doon?
Yeah.
What's free?
That's on the front page. Thing with pillows.
Yeah. No, it looks good.
Have a taste.
Okay. Dito na kami, guys. So tingnan nyo sila. Picnic siya. Maganda siya actually. Do you like it here?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's actually good, yeah. We have our wine. What is that? Sparkling brut. I'll finish this one now.
It wouldn't be nice to live in a country like this. Quiet, green.
Yeah, if it's this. What are you thinking about? Like snakes? Like...
Oh wait. Yeah. When we go to this place on the weekend, I want to just judge how far away it is. Like it's
Where is it?
Bridgewater, so it's a bit past early.
Guys, we brought the mat as well. Ito yung from Zafo, flamingo. Tapos meron siyang mga ganyan. We're still waiting for our food. What are we gonna do after? Let's go to that love sign there, babe. May love sign dun, guys. O gusto kong magpicture dun. I wanna take a picture there. Yeah, I hope it's not too dark.
No, it will be
After we eat. And then we will pick figs. Are they on the trees? Or what are these? They're fruit.
A fig. Yeah, it's a fruit.
Okay. No, I don't know what a fig is. Meron silang pa-fig dito, guys. Pwede ka mag-pick ng fig dun daw sa likod. So, pupuntahan namin yun mamaya. Ako actually nakahanap ng place na to. I found this place. Right, babe?
You did. That was a good choice.
Yeah, it is a really good choice actually. Maganda siya, guys. Maganda siya. Very chill lang. Marami nga lang tao. Pero okay lang. Malayo naman sila sa isa't isa. Malayo kami sa isa't isa. So yeah, it's nice. Look. Maganda dito. Guys, nandito na yung food namin. There you go. Yan yung food. So what's this? Fig. Ito kasi yung ano nila. Product. Fig. Oh, look at that, babe. Strawberries with chocolate.
Yeah.
That's yours.
Let's have a look what they got here.
Okay. Do a hole.
I'm not holding. I'm just looking.
That looks good. The cheese, babe. Oh, yum. Cheese looks really good, babe. And then ito. Mga tarts. Kain, guys. Nice, guys. Love. Meron silang pa-lake sa loob, babe. I mean, sa likod. Danny, look at that lake. Okay. Malit lang. So, dyan guys, tingnan nyo. Nice. Guys, ganda oh. Tingnan nyo to. Yan. So, nandun kami sa sa baba kanina. Umakyat lang kami kasi meron silang pa-fig dito, guys. Pwede ka mag-pick ng fig. So, gagawin namin yan mamaya. So, dan picture. May picture ako dun sa love kanina. Ang ganda nung pa-love nila, ha, in fairness. Dito na kami sa parang fig area nila, guys. So, dito ka pwede ka kumuha ng mga figs. You know? Marami. Fig. Yung suot ko na shoes, hindi bagay sa mga ganito. Tingnan nyo nga yung suot ko. Yan lang. Sana ako sneakers. Maraming poop, guys. See, poop. Poop. Kailangan mo tingnan yung nilalakaran mo. Kasi yung sapatos ko, oh. Yan siya. Okay lang naman. Si Dan nga lang, nakatsanilas lang eh. Picnic nga, diba? So, ngayon, guys, it's already 7, magsi 7:40 na. And maliwanag pa rin, which is good. Is that the fig, babe? How do you know? Oh, look at this one. Yeah, it's open. No, did you see the open one?
Yeah.
Open siya, oh. How do you know it's like ripe?
I think it's gonna be a bit soft. I think this one's alright.
Okay. Oops. Oh, Danny. Oh, okay. Oh, cool. So do you just open it and eat it?
Peel it off. Peel the skin.
Okay. This one, babe. No, this is a bit small, but this. Look at that one.
Where?
At the back. Here.
There?
No, here. Is it? It's a bit yellow. I found one. This is a good one. It's soft. It is soft. Is that right?
Yeah, I think that's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, good one?
Yep.
Yep, that's a good one.
And then there's another one.
Try and get it from the top, babe. That way you get it from the bottom.
These are good ones. And there's more. Wait. Hello, the lighting is really good, babe. Chill kami, guys. Tingnan nyo kami. Danny boy. Picnic. Fig. Kinain ko yung fig. Ayan sa likod. Oh, madali lang siya i-open. Para siyang buungon sa Tagalog. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung Tagalog ng buungon. Pero, mas matamis siya. Sobrang tamis niya. Musta na yung lipstick ko? How's your wine, babe?
Good.
Sobrang ganda ng lighting dito, guys, ha? Bongga to. Pauwi na kami, guys. Was fun? Do you like that, babe? Did you like my idea?
That was a good idea.
It was a good idea.
That was a good idea.
Yeah.
Did you film much there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I filmed the figs. Picnic.
Did you film the picnic area? Where it was
Yours?
sitting?
I did, yeah. You asked me to. You said, film this, babe. This is a good one, babe. Don't speed here, right? It's 60 here. That was good, guys. If you're here, it's actually worth checking out. I'm not... Oh, they still do that, right? Not just on Valentine's Day? They have, like, picnic.
I don't know. They probably do stuff.
The one that you saw on the pamphlet.
Yeah, they probably do functions.
Yeah. May pa-picnic sila, guys. It was good. Anyway, pauwi na kami, guys. Speed rush.
It's shaking.
The video?
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, Adelaide Road. Very Adelaide, babe. Babe. Adelaide Road. Chaka Road. Just kidding. Bahay na kami, guys. Ipapublish ko yung video namin. Yung Valentine's Day special. Ipapublish ko na sana siya sa... Well, nasa trabaho ko kanina. Kaya lang, ayaw naman mag-publish. Hindi ko alam. Babe? Babe? Yeah. Where's the Maltesers? I don't know. Did I bring it in? Binigyan ako ng isang box ng Maltesers, yung malaki, sa work. Binigyan na nila actually lahat ng employee doon. Pero yung napunta sa akin Maltesers, meron din silang peanut M&M's, ganun. Nakaloka siya. Pagdating ko sa work, sabi ko, nasa desk ko siya. Kongga. Tapos sinend ko yung picture kay Dad, sabi ni Dad, mine. Sa kanya na agad-agad. I actually don't mind Maltesers. It's one of the chocolates na, like, you know, okay na siya kainin. Gaya na KitKat. Okay lang din sa akin yung KitKat. Ganda ng talaga, guys. Yung Estee Lauder. Sa iba nag-oxidize siya. Sa akin, hindi naman siya nag-oxidize. Nakalimutan ko na yung shade ko. Beige ata yung shade ko. Pero yeah, gusto ko siya. Wait. Gagamitin ko tong... Ito yung from Heroin Make. Para sa waterproof mascara. Yung ginamit ko kanina yung Etude House na Dr. Fix ata yun. Waterproof din kasi yun. So, ginagamitan ko nito para hindi pa hirapan matanggal. Tatanggalin ko lang itong makeup ko, guys. Tapos, I think manonood kami ng Married at First Sight. Pero hindi yung sa TV, sa website na nila. Hindi kami masyado nanonood ng TV, pero Married at First Sight, pinapanood namin kasi maganda. Okay, so i-close ko na itong vlog, guys. Salamat so much sa panonood. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa Valentine's Day nyo. Anong ginawa nyo, guys, sa Valentine's? But thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to say goodbye. Good night.